First thing in the morning, I like to start off with 2 glasses of water. Hi, Marshmallow. That's my sweet little snowshoe kitty.
Yeah, she's knocking things down. Hey, good morning.
And this morning, I'm starting out with my favorite yummy breakfast. Oats cooked with a banana, chia seeds, almond milk, cinnamon, and topped with grapes, blueberries, and pomegranate seeds. So delicious. And a quick lunch before heading out to do some errands. No oil fries. Here in Arizona, or any desert for that matter, rain is a big deal. It's so pretty. For dinner tonight, I'm making a no oil stir fry with brown rice. Here is the finished product, and I am going to be topping my stir fry with some teriyaki coconut aminos. A little bit goes a long way, but it's really tasty, and it's so much less sodium than soy sauce. For dessert, I'm enjoying cocoa banana balls and the Arizona monsoon storm.